And the script will appear in the processing toolbox under the scripts. For the next time, we can just double click on it to run. For example, count features, double click. We select our shapefile. For example, lakes, open, and output layer with the feature count. For example, save to file. We choose, for example, output folder. We can name it lakes with counts. And here we have two options. Just run it or run as batch process. Let's run it. The output added. We can go to attribute table and feature count is added, which is 37. It means the shapefile includes 37 lakes. We can run our script with the multiple shapefiles, for example. In the right click, instead of execute, we can choose execute as a batch process. Then input layers, select files, input. Let's say we have lakes, places, rivers, roads, and KRG cities. After we selected them together, with the using control and selecting, we open them. We can run 6 shapefiles together. In the output, we can select, for example, added value or fill down. Let's name it lake with counts. Fill with numbers. The second one. After we set both input and output, now we try to run it. Inside data, we have another subfolder with the name of output. Test 6 lakes with the counts. Test river. Test roads. Test KRG cities. Counts created for all of them. For example, we have 98 rivers in this shapefile. test rows, counts added to the shapefile, which is 46,327 rows in the shapefile. Cities, 4 cities, with the field of feature underscore CO4 count. Tips and best practices. First, error handling. Always include error handling to manage unexpected inputs or conditions. Second, feedback. Use the feedback object to provide progress updates and log messages. Third, documentation. Document your script with comments and provide a clear description in the short help string method. Finally, testing. Test your script with the different datasets to ensure it works as expected. In conclusion, writing processing scripts in PyQGIS is a powerful way to automate and customize your GIS workflows. By following this session, you have learned how to create a basic processing script, customize it to your needs, and integrate it into your QGIS processing toolbox. With practice, you can extend these concepts to create more complex and powerful tools for your GIS projects. And happy scripting!